Welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wondered how to bring your external assets into your design workspace, today I am going to show you exactly how to import files into Inkscape. Whether you are working with SVGs, PNGs, JPEGs, or even PDFs, this process is essential for every designer. We are going to cover everything from simple drag-and-drop methods to advanced file configuration settings that will keep your projects organized. If this content helps you level up your design skills today, please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button for more professional, creative software tutorials. Let us dive right into the setup. First, ensure you have Inkscape open and your document set up exactly how you want it. Have the file you wish to import ready to go in your computer's File Explorer. To get started, the standard way to bring a file in is to go to the File menu and select Import, or simply press the Ctrl+I keyboard shortcut. A dialog box will appear. Navigate to your specific file, select it, and click Open. Now, if you are importing a raster image like a PNG or a JPEG, a configuration window will pop up. Pay attention here because these choices matter. You have two main options for the image import type. Choosing Embed saves the image data directly inside your Inkscape SVG file, which is great for portability but will result in a larger file size. Choosing Link keeps the reference to the original file on your hard drive, which keeps the project file smaller. But remember, if you move or rename the original file later, the image will disappear from your canvas. Under the image rendering priority, you have further control. Use the None or Smooth setting if you are working with high-quality photographs, and use the Blocky or Optimize Speed setting if you are working with pixel art or sharp vector-style graphics. Once you have made your selections, just click OK. Now, keep in mind that Inkscape handles PDFs differently. When you import a PDF, you'll see options like Internal Import, which keeps text editable as paths or text objects, or Poplar and Cairo options for better visual fidelity in complex layouts. Also, for a faster workflow, you can simply drag any file directly from your computer's file manager and drop it onto your Inkscape canvas. If you are importing an SVG into an already open document, it will intelligently add its contents to your current canvas rather than opening up a new window. To navigate your newly imported elements, just press S to activate the selection tool. And if you need to adjust your workspace dimensions, use the handy shortcut Ctrl+Shift+D for document properties. Mastering these features will save you hours of production time. If this video helped you understand how to manage your assets better, make sure to show your support by hitting that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy designing.